Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera full screen problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the app, scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, click on delete, go back, click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions right here and go back to the settings again on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. After that, all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.